Welcome, friends! Would you like to demonstrate a concept or topic live on screen while drawing? You can use the whiteboard feature in Zoom to show those steps during a class meeting. Once you have signed into your district Zoom account, navigate to the Settings menu. You'll need to scroll down the page to find Whiteboard. You can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and F keys to search for the term Whiteboard. Turn the button blue to use this feature. While in a Zoom meeting, use the Share Screen button to find the whiteboard. Click Share. Students can now only see a blank canvas where you'll be writing. Use the toolbar to change the format, like the color and size of the text. Add a text box. Use the Draw button for handwriting or shapes. And stamps to annotate your lesson. You can delete the canvas to erase your work by selecting Clear All Drawings. Stop sharing to return to the profile screens. In the next video, let's look at creating a poll to ask students questions during a meeting.